Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I am Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is vintage. So my only thoughts for vintage is that I want to make it tie in nicely with what I did for triangle yesterday. So I will likely use some more elements from that kit from chapter 1 papers, which I have linked in the description if you want to check it out. It's so pretty. So nice. I think it's actually 2 kits that I put together of seed packets and things like that. So elements like this are what's in it, and they are gorgeous vintage illustrations. So I would like to include something from this to make the page tie in. And I might do some more, try out some other little things with the background again. So yeah, let's just start. So this is what I have for vintage, and it ties in, well, it's basically a continuation of the other page really. I decided to add the triangles again to really bring the two of them together, and I really wanted to use one of the seed packets again, but I thought that was maybe a bit too repetitive, and also like I put a lot of effort into the background. I didn't, like, they're just so big it would cover up nearly the whole thing. So I decided to make a little cluster there, just nice vintage elements, and that way I'm not covering over the entire background and I can reveal it if I want to. So there we go. That is it for today's spread. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.